Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use AI masking in Filmora. So basically the idea of this tool is to let you isolate the subject from a video so you can focus the editing on that subject and not affecting the rest of the video. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to select and insert a video into the project timeline. I'm gonna be using this video that I got from a channel on YouTube from Linus Tech Tip. And I want to isolate this person, so the background will be black, the background will be basically empty. Now, what you need to do is you have to click on the video clip and then go to video right here, go to mask and click AI mask. So there are three different tools that we can try. There is smart brush, smart character, and then select subject. Now, character and subject are very similar. They're usually going to try to find the most, interesting part of the video, which is usually going to be the person. But you can also use smart brush, which you have to manually select, but it's usually just the same. It's just a rough selection and then the AI will do the rest. So when you're done, this is basically the result. And if you play the video, this is what you are going to receive. Now, this is math. This is not video cutout. It is different. So if you want to replace a background, you might want to use a AI video cutout in Filmora, which I have mentioned in my previous videos. So masking is a bit different and the purpose is also different. But in case you want to track something, you want to make the masking move based on the movement of the subject, you can use or enable the path option right here. And it will run the motion tracking feature and it will try to move the mask according to the movement of the subject. But then again, it's not going to change its shape. It stays on the original shape, but it's going to move accordingly. So if you look at that, as you can see, the masking is basically the same. It doesn't change at all, but it's moving a little bit to compensate with the movement of the subject. Now, honestly, I don't know much about the masking application. I rarely use this, probably never use it. But in case you want to use it, then there are plenty of features and customizations that you can apply for the masking in your video. So you want to check it out and see which setting is the best for you. But anyway, that's basically how you can use AI masking in Filmora. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel and I'll see you on the next video.